the Filipino word masarap. Masarap means delicious or tasty in English, and this is the primary and most common meaning of the Filipino word masarap. It refers to the pleasant sensation of flavor experienced when eating or drinking something. It can also mean enjoyable or pleasant. While less frequent, masarap can sometimes be used to describe experiences or sensations beyond taste, implying a general sense of enjoyment or pleasure. So this is more contextual and less literal. Another definition is that it can also mean good or wonderful in a non-taste context. So in very specific regional dialects or slang, it can occasionally be used to describe a situation or experience as good or wonderful, but this is not standard usage and can easily be misunderstood. So it's best to stick to the primary meaning unless you're very familiar with a specific context. Let us have the following example sentences. Ang adobo ay masarap. That means the adobo is delicious. Ang adobo ay masarap or masarap ang adobo. Masarap ang kape ko sa umaga. The coffee or my coffee is delicious in the morning. So umaga is morning, kape is coffee. So masarap ang kape ko sa umaga. Napakasarap ng luto mo. That means your cooking is incredibly delicious or you're really good with cooking. Napakasarap ng luto mo. Ito ang pinakamasarap na cake na natikman ko. So that means this is the most delicious cake I've ever tasted. Natikman, tikim is like tasted. Natikman is past tense. So ito ang pinakamasarap na cake na natikman ko. Another one, masarap ba ang sopas? So is the soup delicious? Masarap ba ang sopas? Hindi masarap ang lasa ng gamot. So the medicine doesn't taste good. Masarap means delicious, and then a gamot is like medicine. So lasa is the taste. So the taste or the medicine doesn't taste good. Hindi masarap ang lasa ng gamot. Ang mangga ay masarap at matamis. The mango is delicious and sweet. Mangga is mango. Masarap is delicious. Matamis is sweet. So ang mangga ay masarap at matamis. Masarap magluto ng adobo. Masarap magluto ng adobo. That means it's enjoyable or it's nice to cook adobo. You can also say, masarap ka magluto ng adobo. That means you are a good cook or your cooking when it comes to adobo is very good or it tastes good in a way. So masarap magluto ng adobo or masarap ka magluto ng adobo. Masarap ang simoy ng hangin sa probinsya. That means the breeze is pleasant in the province. So simoy ng hangin is like the breeze of the wind. So hangin is the wind and then probinsya is the province. Masarap kumain kasama ang pamilya. It's enjoyable to eat with the family. Masarap kumain kasama ang pamilya. So pamilya is family. Masarap na sorpresa ang kanyang regalo sa akin. His or her gift was a wonderful surprise for me. So, kanya here is gender neutral. So, it either refers to his or her. So, masarap na sorpresa ang kanyang regalo sa akin. Ang bango ng bulaklak ay masarap. So, the scent of the flower is pleasant. Ang bango ng bulaklak ay masarap or it smells delicious in a way. Masarap matulog pagkatapos ng mahabang araw. It's nice to sleep after a long day. Tulog, that means sleep. Pagkatapos is after. Mahaba means long and araw is day. So, masarap matulog pagkatapos ng mahabang araw. Masarap magbasa ng libro sa ilalim ng puno. It's enjoyable to read a book under a tree. Basa is read and then a libro is a book. When we say ilalim, that's under or below. And then a puno is a tree. Masarap magbasa ng libro sa ilalim ng puno. Masarap ang pakiramdam na nakatulong ka sa iba. So it's a good feeling to have helped others. So masarap ang pakiramdam na nakatulong ka sa iba. This is so true. I totally agree with this one. Kahit simple lang ang pagkain, masarap pa rin ito. So even though the food is simple, it's still delicious. Kahit simple lang ang pagkain, masarap pa rin ito. Masarap sanang magbakasyon sa beach. It would be nice, it would be great to have a vacation at the beach. So magbakasyon is to have a vacation. So bakasyon, that's the root word. And then sa beach, so masarap sanang magbakasyon sa beach. Ang masarap na alaala ay laging nakatatak sa puso natin. So delicious memories are always imprinted in our hearts. So alaala is a memory, nakatatak is like imprinted, tatak. And then puso is the heart, puso. Ang masarap na alaala ay laging nakatatak sa puso natin. Masarap pakinggan ang kanyang boses. His or her voice is pleasant to listen to. Masarap pakinggan ang kanyang boses. So boses is the voice and then pakinggan is like kinig, to listen. That's the one. Masarap pakinggan ang kanyang boses. And last one, masarap maglaro ng basketball kasama ang mga kaibigan. So it's fun to play basketball with friends. Masarap maglaro. That laro means play. Basketball kasama with kaibigan is a friend, mga is the plural marker. So mga kaibigan here refers to friends.